On October 26, 2024, officers were dispatched to a local restaurant following a report of a female patron who was refusing to pay her bill and had allegedly battered a member of the staff.
Oh, she just hit you. Would you like to press charges? Would you like to press charges?
If she doesn't want to pay her bill, yes, I will like that.
You got it. Hello, ma'am. I'm Officer Watson. How you doing tonight?
Okay, waiting for my attorney to arrive.
You waiting for your attorney to arrive? Okay. So I'm going to give you two options today. Alright? So you can either go to jail or you can leave peacefully and pay your bill.
I'm going to leave peacefully.
Okay, so let's go ahead and pay your bill or you're going to jail tonight.
Awesome.
Who has your bill? Let's pay your bill.
Can I go to the bathroom first? Is that
No.
okay?
No.
I'm going to film you right now.
You're being recorded.
I can go to the bathroom. I have a right to go to the bathroom.
Okay, you know, you're going to leave the establishment, but prior to doing that, you're going to pay your bill that you have not paid.
I will pay my bill.
Okay, so let's go ahead and pay your bill.
I'm going to the bathroom because I need to go to the bathroom.
You're not going to the bathroom, you're going to vacate the premises.
If I vacate the premises, then I go to jail.
No, you're going to pay your bill and you're going to leave.
This is not right that you're not. This is literally, I'm on the phone with my attorney.
Okay.
I'm going to the bathroom.
Okay.
Because I have a credit card.
Okay.
And a phone.
Okay, so let's go ahead
And
and
an
pay your bill.
attorney.
Let's pay your
And
bill.
he's right here with me. So you're telling me I cannot go to the bathroom.
Not on this property.
So I need to go to the bathroom outside and then pay my bill?
You're going to pay your bill and you're going to
I have to
leave.
go to the bathroom real bad.
You're going to pay your bill and then you're going to leave. I'm going to let you know now. I'm going to give you about a couple of seconds to make a decision, or you're going to come with me and you're going to go to jail.
Okay. I'm going to go to the bathroom, and you can walk me there.
Do you wish to press charges? Do you wish to press charges tonight?
Is she willing to pay her bill?
She's trying to play
like
this game
to go to the
against the
bathroom
restaurant,
first.
and I'm trying to get her out of here. So,
Yes.
okay. All right, ma'am, go ahead and put your phone down.
No, we're not doing this right now.
All right. All right.
You cannot. No.
Let's go.
You cannot trespass me in the same night. Stop. No, this is not. I'm calling my attorney.
Okay, that's fine.
So you're putting me in jail for going to the bathroom?
Nope. You didn't want to pay your bill.
I want to pay my bill.
Okay, put your stuff down.
Can I go pay my bill
Put
now?
your stuff down. Put your stuff down.
No, I'm not doing this right now. I'm not doing this right now.
Ma'am, I do not want to take you to the ground. If you keep fighting me, I'm going to take you to the ground.
I'm calling my attorney right now. Stop! Do not!
Ma'am, you're not going to overpower me, and I'm going to throw you to the ground here in a second. Stop resisting.
You're literally
Stop
doing
resisting.
this in a public place. And
All right. Put your hands behind your back. All of this for what? Stand up. All of this for what?
I told you I would pay my bill. I told you I would pay my fucking bill. Give me my phone.
I'll give it to you. Take a seat. Take a seat. Put your feet in.
Give me my stuff.
I will give you your stuff. Just take a seat.
No, I want my stuff first. I want my purse.
The person's sitting on my car.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You just put it there. This is ridiculous. Watch your feet so I can grab your purse.
Where are my shoes at?
I'm gonna grab them. He put it on top of my car. Move your feet.
Just wrestled me as a fucking 40-year-old superinfluencer.
Acting like a child.
I'm not acting like a child.
turn
You're
and
paid
take
by
a
them.
seat.
You're paid by them.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, I do know what you're talking about.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry for the show, everybody.
Okay.
Ugh. $656 headquarters. You can show 11015.
Fine.
Where's my stuff?
It's on the back of my car. Look behind you.
I want my bag.
It's right behind you.
I want it right now.
Okay.
I have a right to an attorney.
You do have a right to an attorney.
I have a right to an attorney,
You sure do.
and I want to call him right now.
You call him at the
wrestled
jail.
me on the floor. You wrestled me on the floor.
I gotta use some force. I gotta do now. That was so dumb. So dumb. She wouldn't pay her bill, and then she's like, I have to pee. I was like, you need to get off the property. I'm not getting off the property. I need to use the bathroom. Ma'am, exit the property. No. And then she punched him, one of the managers. So,
So, you know which one? I'll stay with her.
yeah. She's got a dress on. I mean,
It's on you.
it's fine. 1 second. Oh, yeah. I need a statement from you, if you do not mind. You might want to do it on that. So just put your information, name, date of birth, and all that good jazz. $656 to 0645. It's no
You need
worries.
something?
I'll get some later. Don't worry, I'll get some later.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Come back.
Will do. Just for 43, I'll have a use of force.
Does it win or anything?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
I'm sorry you have to go through this. I really am sorry, but
It is what it is. I don't mind.
I know, but you know.
Sometimes it's being a little too ridiculous, but it is what it is.
You understand? She applied for a job here to this afternoon.
Oh, really?
Oh, shit.
Cash in 45. As we're holding 3, we have a dispute, illegal parking, and a signal 4 with airbag deployment, no injuries.
Holy smokes, we're getting crushed today. So to start it off, if you could just say, she came, whoever this female is, if you guys know her information or not, that's fine. Just say she came in, she sat down, she maybe had something to drink, something to eat. While here, she did this. And then however she punched you, hit you, just write that in.
So she also make me look like she was grabbing my ass in front of all the customers, like my back multiple times.
Do you want to press charges?
Oh,
I saw it happen.
I just
I'm standing right there.
oh, you was there?
I mean,
I'll be a witness.
I don't mind it. I'll charge her with that as well.
It's up to you, Bobby. That's
Should I do it, boss? It's up to you. She touched you, no me. I'm okay. I just want her to be in trouble.
I'll at least just say that it happened, but that you don't want anything.
I don't want her coming back again, you know.
Okay, do you guys want to trespass? I'm assuming?
That's for sure.
Will do. They want a TP real quick as well, so. Which, yeah, makes sense. No, I don't have her. I haven't gone into it. I haven't
because I can start filling that out for you in the meantime to help you out.
Okay. Yeah.
Because I gotta bounce to
Yeah.
I gotta be there by 8.
Where are you at? What detail?
The ballot thing.
Oh.
I have to be there at 8, but
Yeah. What a night. What a night.
It's busy, huh?
It's very busy right now. That's why we came so late.
It's Halloween. That's okay.
Oh. Yeah, that too, yeah. Welcome to a couple drinks she starts. She refused. She kept her lawsuit. The big TV asked her one time to leave the property, and she punched my arm. Okay. When she punched you, was it a closed fist or an open fist? Closed fist into what arm? Your right arm. Say she closed fist punched my right arm.
The subject invokes her right to an attorney prematurely. This right applies during custodial interrogation under Miranda, not during consensual encounters or lawful orders to pay for services received. Allowing non-compliant subjects to move to secondary locations creates tactical problems, opportunity to flee, destroy evidence, or delay resolution. Officers maintain control of encounter locations once non-compliance is established. Defrauding an innkeeper occurs when obtaining services with intent to avoid payment. This is classified as theft, a criminal offense, not civil debt. This transforms the dispute from civil to criminal jurisdiction. Once an officer has probable cause to arrest, the subject has a legal obligation to submit. Physical resistance, even without violence, constitutes a separate criminal offense and creates additional charges beyond the original complaint. Under Graham v. Connor, force reasonableness must be judged from a reasonable officer's perspective on the scene, not with hindsight. Officers make split-second decisions in tense, uncertain situations. Controlled takedowns to overcome active resistance fall within reasonable force parameters. Arrest location does not affect legality. Officers may arrest in any location where they have legal authority. Public embarrassment does not render an arrest improper if probable cause exists. Once battery and resisting arrest occur, the original payment dispute becomes secondary. Each crime stands independently. Initial minor complaints often escalate into multiple serious charges through the subject's choices. Specificity in witness statements matters significantly. Details like closed fist versus open hand help establish intentional harmful contact required for battery charges. Thorough evidence gathering protects the prosecution's case. Officer Watson receives a B+. His strengths include clear communication of options and consequences, patient attempts at resolution, measured force proportional to resistance, and thorough evidence documentation demonstrating professional law enforcement practice. Areas for improvement include earlier backup requests with resistant subjects and more efficient transition to arrest once non-compliance is clear. Under Graham v. Connor standards, the officer's force was objectively reasonable given active resistance. The subject receives a D for fundamental misunderstanding of legal rights and obligations. Invoking attorney rights during non-custodial encounters shows confusion about when constitutional protections apply. Physical resistance to lawful arrest is particularly poor judgment. Once probable cause exists, resistance constitutes a separate crime. Resistance charges typically stand because they are independently documented on body camera footage. Key lessons for law enforcement. Clear communication and patience in de-escalation are essential. Measured force and thorough evidence collection protect both subject rights and department legal positions. Early backup requests reduce officer risk with non-compliant subjects. Key lessons for the public. The right to an attorney does not apply to every police interaction. It protects against self-incrimination during custodial interrogation, but does not permit refusal of lawful commands. Citizens have a legal duty to submit to arrest regardless of personal belief about justification. Minor civil disputes escalate into serious criminal matters through poor decision-making. Financial costs of original complaints are minimal compared to legal fees, fines, and criminal records from escalation. Delay tactics strengthen the case for arrest. Defrauding an innkeeper transforms apparent civil debt into criminal offense, involving intent to avoid payment. Once battery is added, criminal jurisdiction is undeniable. Resistance charges become the most sustainable because body camera documentation makes them difficult to contest. Business owners should contact law enforcement rather than attempting physical prevention. Proper documentation and detailed witness statements are crucial. Willingness to accept civil resolution demonstrates good judgment while preserving criminal options. The fundamental legal principle, comply in the moment, contest later. The legal remedy is through courts, not physical resistance. Every act of resistance creates new criminal liability and weakens subsequent legal challenges. Emotional arousal impairs legal decision-making. When threatened or embarrassed, rational choice ability diminishes. Officers are trained to de-escalate when possible, but subjects bear responsibility for managing emotional responses and making legally sound decisions under stress. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more police interaction and courtroom content.